Thanks, Ben.
Got a splinter.
You did? How did that happen?
There's 10 minutes.
Where? On your foot?
My foot.
Oh, I see it. Did you get it out?
I think a basketball. Nikki, you can't just grab the...
Was the ball in the car or not?
In there. It's the ball in there. Nikki took it right out of my hand. I found the ball. Ben took it from my hand too. I'll let you do it. Okay, Nikki? Here's the ball. And if you don't like that ball, play with this ball. And if you don't like both of those, you can play with Pac-Man that I brought. Oh, I'll play with it. I'll play with it. Oh, wait, can I play Pac-Man? Yeah. Hi, Kizzy. Hi. Well, hey, I broke my record. You guys a level 5. Oh, man. Aha. Ow. Oh, man. Oh, man.